Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to share files from Android to Windows using Quick Share. First thing you need to do is to open the Quick Share website on your PC. Click Download Quick Share and run the installer. After installation, open Quick Share for Windows from the Start menu and sign in with your Google account if prompt. Launch Quick Share on Windows and enter your PC's name. Select how you'd like to receive files. Receive from everyone, from contacts, or from your devices. When done, using the app, you can choose devices hidden to disable visibility. Now open the file you want to share, then tap the share icon. Choose Quick Share and select your Windows PC from the list. If it's your first time, pair your Android and PC, and once accepted, the file is sent and saved to your PC. You can open it with any compatible app. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.